Between wearing makeup, being outside in extreme temperatures, donning face treatments, and everything in between, we put our skin through a lot. It's no surprise that there are effects we can't see, particularly when it comes to skin barrier damage. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you how to repair damaged skin barrier. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. What's your skin barrier? So before I get into the how part of the video, let's first understand what is the skin barrier. Simply put, our skin is composed of several different layers and the skin barrier, also called as moisture barrier, is the outermost one. It has two main jobs. One is to keep the good stuff sealed in like natural oils, hydration and moisture, and the second is to keep bad things out like irritants in the environment. Now the question is, what causes our skin barrier to get damaged? So our skin barriers get damaged when lipids are broken down. There are many reasons why this can happen. Firstly, it's genetics, aging and environmental factors which, let's face it, is out of our control. Secondly, it's the external factors that's the main culprit, such as using water that's too hot or cold, over-exfoliating, using too many active ingredients, sun damage and even sleep schedule. All of this causes dryness, redness, irritation, sensitivity, breakouts, stinging and burning of the skin. Now that we have understood what skin barrier is and what are the factors that damage it, it's time to take action. And by that I mean what sort of products to look out for that will allow the barrier to rest and restore itself and get back to its normal. Firstly, keep a close eye on the ingredients list as it plays a major role. Now since I have damaged skin barrier which is sensitive in nature, I opt for products that are dye-free, have no harsh chemicals and are non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic. Plus, look out for humectant or water-binding ingredients. If you ask me a brand that ticks all these boxes, has been a sensitive skin expert, does that ring a bell? It's simple, yeah. And since it has no baddies and nasty ingredients, it is good for damaged skin barrier and it has passed all the tests on my sensitive skin. And I would suggest this as an excellent option for anyone who wants to repair their damaged skin barrier. Now let me show you how to repair damaged skin barrier. The first thing you need to do is opt for a gentle cleanser. If you have a damaged skin barrier, meaning if you face any of these skin issues that I spoke about earlier on in this video, then you need to opt for a gentle cleanser. Gentle cleanser that doesn't contain any skin baddies like soap, harsh chemicals, artificial fragrance. At the same time, it nourishes, moisturizes and removes skin impurities. This is precisely why I have been using the simple kind to skin moisturizing facial wash. What is great about this is that if you have tightness, redness, inflammation, this cleanser will not further add to the problem because it doesn't have any soap or harsh chemicals in it. To add to it, it is enriched with pro-vitamin B5 that softens the skin, bisabolol that moisturizes the skin and vitamin E nourishes the skin. After cleansing the face, I like to use a toner to restore my skin's pH balance. When the skin barrier gets affected, it equally affects the pH balance, which results in irritated skin. But have you wondered what disrupted pH balance does to your skin? The skin's barrier is slightly acidic as it keeps moisture in and bacteria out. If the pH balance is off and it's too alkaline, the skin is going to look flaky and red. If it's too acidic, you'll increase your chances of inflammatory skin conditions like eczema and acne. So the toner is going to restore the pH balance, and since most toners contain alcohol, it causes severe dryness, making them a nightmare for girls for those who already have a damaged skin barrier. I like to use the simple kind to skin soothing facial toner. Soak a cotton pad with toner, then swipe it over your entire face and neck. This one is 100% alcohol free and perfect for those that have a damaged skin barrier resulting in sensitivity on the skin. It contains a special blend of witch hazel that prevents inflammation, pro-vitamin B5 hydrates the skin, and allantoin is known to soothe the skin, and chamomile that boosts antioxidant in the skin. After toning, I like to follow it up with a serum. Look out for serums that have healing ingredients like this one. This is the Simple Booster Serum with 10% hemp seed oil plus B3 for strong skin barrier. It has pro-ceramides like 10% hemp seed oil that will strengthen skin's barrier and protect against collagen degradation. That's not all. It also is enriched in omega-9 fatty acid that plays an integral role in the inflammatory response of the skin, the appearance and feel of the skin, and the ability to act as a barrier. The best part about this serum is that it is free from harsh ingredients, artificial color, alcohol, parabens, which are some skin barriers that disrupt our skin's barrier function, making it susceptible to a whole host of problems. A damaged skin barrier requires a lot of moisture because it gets dry by nature. So after using a serum, it's essential to seal in that moisture with a cream. This acts as an extra barrier on the skin, stopping hydration from escaping, which overall helps restore and maintain skin's health. Again, it needs to be gentle on your skin since it's sensitive at the moment. As a rule, opt for a moisturizer that has no parabens, no harsh chemicals and no perfume in it. Precisely why I use this moisturizer when I experience redness or irritation. This is the simple kind to skin hydrating light moisturizer. This lightweight, non-greasy, fast-absorbing moisturizer will keep the skin hydrated for up to 12 hours. It has borage seed oil that nourishes, glycerine hydrates and provitamin B5 soothes the skin. So guys, I hope you liked this video on how to repair damaged skin barrier. Remember, all good things take time. As much as we want that overnight transformation, skin needs time. So trust the process. Before you leave, like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.